Who was the Catholic person in your family?
Oh, my grandparents on my mother's side were German Catholic.
Okay, it's not a sin.
No, no.
It's okay to be Catholic, they said, all right? So I knew it was not the norm, okay? So they're just gonna like, that's us.
Okay.
And someone showed me a reel-to-reel tape recorder.
Oh, my uncle Tommy, the aeronautical engineer, he was always into filming, and he worked for Technicolor.
Okay, so he was doing sound with them probably and cutting in the
color,
sound.
yeah, the color movies and
Okay.
reels, yeah.
Okay, they're showing me the Clemson paw print. Who had the paw print for a high school mascot? Who's the Wildcats? Who's the Bobcats? Who's the Lions? The Panthers? Okay, and they're showing me the little paw print like the little cheerleaders wear and stuff like that. So whose high school is that?
She's got the wolf, and you were the
No, I
panther.
know she had the coyote.
I had coyote.
Oh, that's
at my
right,
old
that's
school.
right.
So who had the Panther? Okay,
Yeah.
go Panthers. Okay,
Son.
and it's a male telling me this. Okay. Did somebody get to meet one of the Dallas Cowboys, like Don Meredith or one of the oldie Dallas Cowboys?
I ran into several of them when we used to go partying down.
Okay, did you meet Don Meredith?
He could have been there.
Okay, because Don Meredith
Oh, yeah,
was
well,
a drinker.
yeah,
Okay,
that's what we were doing.
okay. They're bragging on the other side, okay?
Okay.
That's cool, the old Cowboys, all right. Gotta love that. Okay, this is way out in left field. Like my mom was a psychology major at OU. She worked at the monkeys and stuff like that. Who worked scientifically with monkeys in your family?
Marie did circus.
Oh, yeah, my Aunt Marie was in the circus. She rode elephants. Yeah.
I like your stories.
She's got plenty. Can I trade relatives? I want some cool relatives. Okay, that's good. She's saying it's free scotch and whiskey on the other side too.
Oh, now that's probably my ex-mother-in-law.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
She's
Yeah,
holding
she
up.
was a Scotch
She-
drinker.
Well, she's the Connie with the vanity that came through earlier.
Yeah, that's true.
so-
She's rattling the ice in her drink.
Yep,
like
that's
this.
her.
Okay,
Yep.
she's going like
That's
a
her.
little bit more.
Okay, yeah, oh, yeah, okay.
They're like.